Model 2 is not the car's official name. Many people think that since the Model 3 already exists, it makes sense for them to make a Model 2. However, the Model 3 name was accidental. The reason being that Elon wanted the name Model 3 for his grand scheme of Model S, Model E, Model X, and Model Y. However, that name was already copyrighted by Ford, so he had to go by the name of Model 3. Anyway, weird tangent aside, although the car is the ultimate goal, and with the 4680 battery and the Shanghai factory underway, there are decent chances of it happening. Not just yet, because it is still very much in development, but just how far is this something that varies from person to person. Another good indicator besides the technology and the manufacturing is the image revealed in the form of an official sketch that allegedly is of the upcoming car. As the sketch shows, the car belongs to the newer Model 3 and Model Y style, with soft headlights and a very futuristic look. And that conveniently brings us to the last important part regarding this car: self-driving. See, Tesla is not just concerned about people driving their cars. In fact, in the long term, they want no one to drive their cars because they want all their cars to be fully self-driving. And well, as it turns out, the single biggest expected feature of this car will actually be the lack of features. Although there were plans to make a Model Y with no steering wheel, they just didn't come to fruition. But with the version 10.1 of Tesla's autopilot system on the way, along with an extensive beta program, I don't think it's a stretch to say that the first instance of a completely autonomous car might be the Model 2. For God's sake, we have even had an image of one such car all the way back. How exciting is that? And the absolute icing on the cake has got to be this quote that was taken. That's the Model 2, Tesla's final big nail in the coffin of all sorts of old cars. And the exact details, like the year of release, remain a little smudged, as Tesla is known for being secretive about any concrete plans they have. I personally believe that the car is somewhere in the late development cycle, and if all goes to plan, you can expect to see it as soon as 2023.